Yesterday, I and my friends embarked on a mission to visit the Chogoria waterfalls. It was a bit a distance from the Chogoria town. You probably will want to visit that place too. Now, Chogoria waterfalls is located in Tharaka County. You probably wonder why the waterfall, but you'll actually come to know that Tharaka County is a mountainous place, so existence of waterfalls is a normal thing around if the river. You have never been to a waterfall, then you are really missing a lot. Now, here is a little literature on how waterfalls are formed. Waterfall often forms as streams flow from soft rock to hard rock. This happens both laterally and vertically, and in both cases, the soft rocks erodes, leaving a hard ledge over which the stream falls. Chogoria waterfalls is not an exemption of this process. The waterfall is approximately 35 feet tall, as you can see from our camera coverages, and the depth of the waterfall I don't actually know, but you can tell from the strength of the waterfall that the depth is actually very deep down, and trust me, you don't wanna stand just 10 meters close to the waterfall. Just standing next to the waterfall gives you that refreshing energy as you feel and touch the breeze and the droplets of water falling onto you until you are really watery, and you can't even complain because you are feeling that deep connection with Mother Nature, and you just want to be there and let the process take place smoothly as you enjoy the beautiful scenery, the water falling on you, and just the sight of the waterfall. My friends were really enjoying. They freshened up and they couldn't forget the amazing and refreshing moments that we had during our visit to this Chogoria waterfall. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to follow us as we explore nature together in our numerous videos.